To add Google Sheet shortcut to your iPhone's home screen, open that specific sheet, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just copy its link or share it, basically, right? Copy the link and share it in your WhatsApp, Instagram, where you can use your iPhone to just copy it or grab it, right? And in your iPhone, right, like you see in the screen right now, right, you're gonna see this is the spreadsheet that I just shared, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit the sharing icon at the bottom middle, scroll a little bit down, you're gonna find add to home screen. Just hit add, and then name the home screen, right? Or name the sheet, basically. Let's say I'm gonna just name it untitled spreadsheet. Hit add at the top right, and now you just added the spreadsheet to your iPhone. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.